It is the plant of Adiantum. It is common fern. It is included in lower vascular plant because it consists of stem, leaves and roots, but it does not produce flower and seeds. It is commonly called maiden hair fern. It is sporophyte. The body of the Adiantum consists of stem called rhizome, which is present horizontally in the soil. Especially the Adiantum plants prefer the shady places for growing. From the lower side, rhizome arises, which absorb the mineral and water from the soil. From the upper side, a stalk-like structure called rachis, which having many compound leaves called fern. The leaves mainly further consist of leaflet or pinnae, and the pinnae then divide into phennules. These are the leaves of the Adiantum. On the lower surface of the leaves, at the margin, there are present sporangia. When these occur in groups, it forms a cluster called sori, which having spores. I am going to demonstrate the life cycle of fern or Adiantum. This is the model of the leaf of the Adiantum or fern, which consists of leaflet or pinnae. These are pinnae or leaflets. This is the upper surface of the leaf of the fern Adiantum. The leaflet further divide into many phennules. The underside or the lower side of the fern, there are many sporangia. These are the sporangia, which form a cluster on the lower side of the leaf called sori. The sori, so it is the cluster of the sporangia. In the sporangia, many spores are formed. When these spores fall on the moist places or moist soils, it germinates and forms another structure. That is, it is called prothallus or gymnophytes. It is hard-like structure, and it is greenish, and it is hermaphrodites. This is upper side, and this is the lower surface. In the lower surface, there is two structures, so it is called hermaphrodite because it having archegonia and intridia. The archegonia, which is flower shaped, the upper it is the neck, it is called neck region, narrow region called neck, while the lower region, which is swollen parts called venter, it having a mature egg. So in the archegonia, it is a female part in which egg is formed, while the intridia, which is club shape, in the intridia, the sperm mother cell are formed, which form sperm. The prothallus also provided by rhizoid. Here are missing. Here rhizoid are present, which absorb the mineral and water from the soil, moist soil. After fertilization, they form zygote, and the zygote convert into embryo, and the embryo then convert to new sporophytes. So there is a alternation of generation in which the sporophytes convert to gametophytes. This is gametophyte of proteins, and it convert to new sporophytes.